Depending on the width and the type of product that you're installing, there is a nailing schedule. You can definitely compromise your installation if you don't follow the nailing schedule. If we're dealing with, and this is a diagram that you're also going to have in your books. If you're installing strip floorings up to 3 inch, your nailing schedule on solid 3/4 inch is going to be 8 to 10 inches apart for your fasteners, with a fastener within 1 to 3 inches of each end of the board. Right? Again, I see a lot of people, they're like the fastest nailers in the west and in the east. Pull the board. The first 5 inches of that board was never got nailed. And probably the same with the one before it. In a full set of seasons, that wood tries to move, that butt joint is not going to have any leakage. It's going to open up. Make sense?
We finish these 3 up, and we'll get it.
You're trying to move it while you're swinging it. So you gotta go, stop, and swing. Go, stop, and swing. Anytime you're using that, while you're moving it, you're actually canting the gun.